Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the 8GB DDR2 667MHz laptop RAM upgrade kit. If you're looking to breathe new life into your compatible laptop, notebook, or all-in-one computer, this upgrade might just be your ticket to a smoother, speedier experience. First off, let's talk specs. This kit comes with two 4GB DDR2 SATA modules, boasting a speed of 667 MHz, PC2-5300. What does that mean for you? Well, it translates to improved system responsiveness and faster loading times, making multitasking a breeze and handling heavier workloads with ease. Installation is a snap, thanks to the 200-pin design of these modules. Whether you're a seasoned tech pro or a novice, you'll appreciate this straightforward process. Plus, with non-ECC unbuffered memory, you can trust in dependable performance without any fancy frills. But what about reliability? ATEC has you covered with their rigorous quality assurance testing. Each module is put through its paces to ensure it meets the highest standards, giving you peace of mind knowing your investment is built to last. And let's not forget about support. ATEC stands behind their product with a lifetime warranty, backed by responsive tech support based right here in the United States. Got questions or concerns? They've got your back every step of the way. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a memory upgrade that delivers on performance, reliability, and support, look no further than the ATEC 8GB DDR2 667MHz laptop RAM upgrade kit. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and hello to a faster, more responsive computing experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.